Hello, everybody. Welcome to class number 4 of PostMan. And today we are going to see about the curl command. Okay, and with some chat GPT exam API example. Hey, excited, right? This is the cool today. The chat GPT is something going to take over the world soon. So we are going to hit the chat GPT and learn something, right, today. And I said I will tell something about me in each class and I will see whether I can say something. This is the chat GPT website, and this is the place I was about to talk about today a little bit, right? My native place, my parents' native place is from this city. It's called Tanjavur. Okay, and I would recommend all of you go to this temple, Bragadishwara temple. This is a marvelous architecture. You will really love it. Please do visit it and send me your feedback, and I'm sure you will all love it. Okay, it's almost 1,000 years old, and if you learn about how they built all those things, you will be really excited. Okay, please do visit if you get a chance, and give me your feedback. Let's get into the topic. Today we are going to talk about the curl. Okay, what is curl in Postman? What is it connected with, right? Let's go to Postman today. The first example is we are going to go to Postman and get the curl command. Let's go to Postman. We were all hitting this exchange rates, right? Previous example, this is what we were doing. We'll just did a get request and we are hitting this API and it was returning this result, right? Let's hit again. So that's what it is returning. Okay, so you can see this icon here, right? The code it says. Okay, let me hit that and see what it returns. I'm going to hit that. Boom, it's returning a command curl location. It's a request, it's a get, and it is hitting this. It's all same thing. Whatever it's converted into a command. Okay, let me copy this. We should be able to run this from a PowerShell. I'm going to the PowerShell. Okay, I'm going to paste this and hit this. I'm going to see an error. That's okay, we'll figure it out. So I figured it out. This the way to run this command is you have to say cmd/c and then curl this whole thing that you copied. Okay, I'm going to run it. Boom, see, it gives you the same response what we did. So this will be really helpful. The command line code, if somebody say send, you can say just copy this code and send the postman. If somebody is running, right, in my company, that's what happens. If the professor says I ran this, for me it is working, he will say just copy this curl command and send me this. So if you did whatever you are sending in headers and whatever details it is sending, it will copy. You should be able to copy this and send it to anybody. They should be able to exactly run. Okay, so this will be really powerful. You can also, the way other way of running from the PowerShell is, say it's a curl. You just type the curl. Okay, so it will ask for what is the URL. Okay, let me go here and copy this URL that we were hitting. So I'm copying it, going back to PowerShell, pasting it. Again, same, it runs again, but it's give a better result. It's status code 200, status okay, and here is the content. Okay, the status 200 is the standard for success in a GET request. That's in the, you can always change it. You can say to the, if you are writing your own API, and you can change it to whatever you want. Okay, but that is the industry standard. So that's how about curl. Let's look into some examples from Chat GPT. Let's hit some Chat GPT. Okay. Okay. So here is the curl command to hit the Chat GPT. I'll post it in my example. I'm going to copy this and let me see how we can run this from Postman. Right. I have a now command. Let's see how to import this into Postman. Right. So it is asking. It's a the content type is going to be JSON. It's asking for a API key. Okay, and it is hitting the model DaVinci 003, and it is just going to ask prompt what is your name. Okay, and other things are max token, temperature. Those are all some configuration parameters this Chat GPT requires. Okay, let me go here and I'm going to import this command now. Somebody assume that somebody is sending you a curl command, right? How do you do with that, right? That's what we are going to see. We are going to say import. Okay, say to click on the raw text here and you can paste it. Okay, so it just paste that curl command here and say continue. So it's going to ask, should I import it? Say import, yes. Okay, so you should be able to run it now. Okay, I'm going to run it. Boom, I'm going to get an error because my API key I didn't give. I'm going to pass and give the API key. Okay, I copied my API key. I'm going to run it. Boom. See, Luisa. That is so. It is returning. If you ask what is your name to the Chat GPT, it is just returning. I think it's random. Let's see. Hit again. It's going to give something. Tessa. Okay. That's so cool. Let's see more examples on Chat GPT going forward. And so we'll also learn Chat GPT too when learning Postman. So thank you for watching. As usual, subscribe and like my videos. Thank you for watching again. Have a good day. Bye bye.